This is the Enhanced Mobility Triax Sport 3-wheel mobility scooter. Now, this is not a handicap scooter. This is a leisure scooter. This scooter is phenomenally fast. This is a 12 miles an hour power scooter. So this is not going to be for a nursing home. This is not going to be for a person who's nervous. This is for someone whose agilities are all there. This is going to be for someone who wants to get from A to B really fast. So I'm just telling you, this is not a handicap scooter. This is a leisure, very fast power scooter. And when you watch the video outside, you'll see how fast it is. 12 miles an hour. Actually, this scooter has 3 speeds. So right here, you can choose speed number 3, right here on the control, which will probably be your 12 miles. Speed number 2 is probably going to be your 8 miles. And speed number 1 will be your 4 miles an hour. I'm assuming it goes down by 4 miles an hour each, okay? Now this scooter here is a foldable, portable scooter. That's the first thing I'm going to show you. This scooter with the battery pack is 52 pounds, okay? So when you fold this scooter, the first thing you would do is push the seat down, and behind the seat right here, I'm going to turn it your way so you can see it. Right behind the seat, you got to look through the seat. You'll see a little handle right here with my hand. If I pull that handle, you can see I have dropped the seat. The next thing you would do, this is called the driving, the tiller. There's a lever here, okay? Now to pull that lever, I'm going to show you from that side so you can see it. There's a little button on the side. So you hold the button up, then you can pull the lever out of the way. There's a little button right here. Then you can fold this down, okay? And then you've got your... This is 52 pounds right here, folks. You can see the underbelly of the scooter right here. This is well finished. This is all powder coated. We have several colors on this scooter available. So, and you have anti-tip wheels, which we'll cover in a minute. So, the weight is there. It's 52 pounds. So 2 people, well, maybe 1 person can pick it up. It's 52 pounds. A lot of the weight is back here. So I'm going to put it back up. I'm going to do this. I'm going to put the seat back up. The seat's this way. Now I'm going to show you something else. You can take the battery pack out. This is 8 pounds. So if you're going to take the battery pack out, the first thing you would do, there's a cable that runs to the battery pack. Disconnect your 3-prong cable, run it through the battery. You have a little lever here, push it down. There's your battery pack, okay? So if you take the battery pack out, your total weight now is 44 pounds. 44 pounds without the battery pack inside the scooter. When you put the battery pack back in, and also on this battery pack, in case you don't want nobody to mess with your scooter, there's an on and off button. You don't see it because the battery pack is usually sitting this way in the scooter, okay? So your on and off button is over here. So this is a little heads up for you guys. If you don't want someone to run away with your scooter, turn the power off on your battery pack when they turn the key or they do something. So slide the battery pack back in, hold the lever down, slide the battery pack right back in, run your little cable right here, back through the handle, go through the handle for protection, plug it back here. So this is only if you take the battery out, okay? Now, let's talk about a couple of other features, okay? The seat on this scooter is 13 by 12, okay? So a real small seat, no arms. If you need a bigger seat, there's an option of an 18-inch seat for this scooter. So I'm sure the 18-inch seat will be a little more expensive. But right now, the way it's set up, it's coming with a 13 by 12-inch deep seat, okay? The front wheel is your motor. So a lot of you have probably never seen this. The motor is in the front wheel, right here. It's part of the wheel. There's a front wheel drive scooter. The motor is in there, and this is a 500 watt motor. Very, very powerful motor, 500 watt motor. Let's look at the controller here real quick. So you have two keys that come with your scooter and a nice keychain. Put the key in here, turn the key to the right. You can see right here, your power is on, you can see the red light. This is your battery gauge, you have 3 lights, so if you lose 2 of these, I would start charging it, okay? On this side, you have headlights. So if I hit the headlight, you can see on the wall right there, as a matter of fact, it's a real nice headlight. You can see your headlights right there. On the back, these are not lights, these are just reflectors, so I'm going to get some calls on this. These are just reflectors for show. So again, there's your headlight right there. And back over here again, in the middle, the top button was your 3-speed. 1, 2, 3, we already talked about the 3-speed. The middle button is your horn. And the last button, it says reverse and forward. So this scooter, if you want to go reverse, you have to hit the reverse, okay? Now, let me show you something. Notice how this scooter right now is not locked in gear, okay? So if you wanted this scooter to be locked in gear, you have a little handle right here, you see it? Hold the handle up, put the lever, let me show you again. Lever up, thing up, and now your scooter is locked in gear, okay? Pull the lever up again and it unlatches. So now, when you drive this scooter, this is a pretty light scooter. When you drive this scooter, when you want to go forward, you don't have a throttle like you have on wheelchairs and scooters. You don't have that finger touch. It's right here. If you look over there, real close, it's not in the handle, it's right here. So what you would do, this is where you turn it right here. Oh, right there. So that's your forward and your reverse. Now this thing is so fast. Alright, so now that's your forward and that's your reverse. Now, how do you stop this scooter? Because on a handicapped scooter, when you let go, but this one keeps going, okay? This is why I'm going to show you, you have a hand brake here. So if I'm going forward, I hit the brake. So you got to get used. This is your brake brake. So as I'm going forward, that's what stops your scooter. The front wheel brakes, which it's a hand brake. Then you can brake slowly or faster by depending on how hard you want to brake. You'll get used to it. Okay. So remember, this scooter, if you want to go forward, it's right here, right next to the battery. You have to turn right here. And that's how you make it go forward or reverse, okay? So you just push it this way. Down for forward, same thing with reverse, it'll be down and all that, okay? So, you do have a key. This scooter has this scooter has a 350-pound weight capability. That's right, 350-pound weight capability. This is not for going in the grass, in the dirt. This is a front wheel drive. That means you have to have weight on the front. If I do this, that scooter will be spinning if you watch. So if you're going uphill, make sure you lean forward. This is mainly for flat surface, no grass. This is made for flat surface, okay? So this scooter, as I said, has a 350-pound weight capability, okay? Very well constructed. Like I mentioned earlier, anti-tip wheels on both sides. You see the one there, and there's one on this side also. The range on this scooter is about 35 miles on the battery charge. Now I would not go 35 miles, I would go slow distance to make sure it does go 35 miles. The mileage will vary. Now if you have a 100-pound person on here or a 300-pound person, your mileage will vary greatly, okay? So, this scooter is 20 inches, 20¼ inches wide. So the width of this scooter, by the way, this seat right here, I'm going to show you about the seat real quick. You see how it's tipped forward? Whatever angle you want it at, you have to go down, bring it all the way back, and then whenever you bring it, you can see where it would sit. Okay? So the scooter is 20¼ inches wide. 20¼ inches wide. Now, back here, we've got a little stand here. There's a little lever right on the bottom of this light. If you pull the lever out, I can pull the stand out right here. Not quite sure how far it'll go. Alright, so you can go here, and you can carry something back here on your scooter. If you have a little suitcase or something you need to carry, and you have anti-tip wheels here, and it goes back in. The wheels on this scooter are 9.5 inch over here. These are air tires back here. Actually, I'm sorry, these are solid tires back here. And the front wheel is a solid tire also. And that tire up front is a brushless motor. There's no brush in that motor up front. And again, it's 500 watt motor. So again, earlier I mentioned the width. The width from outside to outside is 20.5 inches. 20.5 inches. This is a portable scooter. This is the Enhanced Mobility Triax Sport Mobility Scooter. This is a really nice scooter. You have the option also, if you want to get a basket with this scooter. So this is an option. I'm going to show you the basket right here. It does come with a charger. The basket clips on here. So this would be your basket for the front, okay? So this is an option, the basket. So again, this scooter, 350 pound weight capability, 12 miles an hour. 3 speeds, 12 miles, 8 miles, 4 miles an hour. You adjust the speed with the 3-speed right here. You have headlights, forward, reverse. You have a horn. It's a fold-up scooter. You have the option to go to an 18-inch seat if you want to. The battery pack is 8 pounds. If you leave it all folded, like I showed you earlier, it's 52 pounds. If you take the battery pack out and you want to carry it around, it's 44 pounds. Very well constructed, powder coated, so high grade aluminum powder coated. As I said, 500 watt motor in the front, and you also have the nice headlight. So I don't know what else to tell you about this scooter. I hope this demonstration will give you a good idea what this is. So again, this is not for your nursing home. This is not for your house. This is for someone who has the ability to control it. This is a fast scooter. This is a fun, leisure, 3-wheel mobility scooter. And it's available right now on our website. One more thing that's very important. How to charge your Triax Sport Mobility Scooter. You will get a charger like this. Of course, this end plugs into the wall, and this end is a 3-prong plug. You can see it right here. So what you do, you would go to your battery pack. As you remember in the video, I unplugged the battery pack right here to get the battery pack out. If you want to charge it at home, you can just unplug it right there and plug this in here, just like that, and plug this into the wall. And when the light turns green, the batteries are full. Now, some of you may want to take the whole battery pack out and leave the scooter in the car, and you can still charge it in the house. It doesn't have to be in the scooter, okay? So if you take the battery pack out, I showed you earlier, just take the cable out of here, pull the plug right here, the little, and you got to pull up. You can't just pull out. Pull up a little bit and then out. And then you can take it inside your house and you can charge it right here like this inside your home. And then when you're ready and it's charged up, you can bring it back to your scooter and drop it back in here like that, and make sure you plug your cable back in, because some of you are going to forget this and you're going to call me all nervous why it's not working. Make sure you plug this is your power cable, plug it back in here. So this is the charger, the lithium charger that comes with your lithium battery pack right here. So this is how you charge the scooter. As I said earlier, it's ready to go. So this is a Triax Sport by Enhanced Mobility, 12 miles an hour top speed. As I said, it's not a handicap scooter, it's a leisure scooter. It's going to be a lot of fun if you get one of these. Very, very fast. Solid tire that runs really good as long as you're on flat surface. You can go uphill as long as you lean forward a little bit, because all your weight has to be on that front wheel. That's where the wheel turns. There's nothing on the back wheels. This is the one that all folded up with the battery pack. It's 52 pounds. If you take the battery pack out, it's 44 pounds. Very easy to carry with the handle in front. You've got wheels back there. You can just carry like a luggage. The basket, as I said, it's optional. There's other options available if you decide what you want one of these. Just let us know. If you have any questions on this Triax Sport Mobility Leisure Scooter, just give us a call. We'd be glad to answer any questions you have.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.